Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed about a comparison of list objects, right? So we discussed as part of comparing list objects in the last session. Okay, that we can compare list objects by using comparing comparison operators, and the second one is the relational operators. Okay, with respect to all, we observed permutations and combination with respect to strings and numbers, right? So today concept we are going to discuss about membership operators. Okay, today we are going to discuss about membership operators. membership operators membership operators membership operators. So normally membership operators means we can check whether the element is a member of the list or not by using membership operators. That means we can check specified element is speci- specified element is member of the list or not by using membership operators. Okay, we can check specified element is member of the list or not by using membership operators. Okay, below are they are of two types. Okay, they are of two types. They are of two types. First one is a, so normally what is the first one? In operator. Okay, so first one is a in and the second one is a not in. Okay, not in. First one is in operator and second one is a not in operator. Okay, how we can check that is now we are going to discuss with respect to membership operators. Okay, so I'm going to write one small program. See, you know the difference between why I'm executing every program through ideally. So ideally I'm not executing, I'm executing the programs through file, not through the shell. So if you execute the Python programs through the shell or ideally, it's going to give incorrect results that is based on platform. Okay, it is not recommended to execute Python programs in this type of shells. Okay, it is not recommended to execute Python programs this type of environments. Okay, they will give incorrect results based on platform to platform. Okay, we have to write the program in this file and we have to execute Python programs in this way only. If we execute in any other case, might be they will give incorrect results, right? So membership operators means we can check specified element is member of the list or not by using membership operators. Okay, they are of two types. One is a in operator and the second one is a not in operator. Okay, so first I'm taking one list. ls is equal to I'm taking 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Okay, 10 is ls is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Next what I'm doing means here I'm asking print okay, let me print a list first. Okay, let me print the list. After I'm printing the list, what I'm doing, print of, I'm asking 10 in ls. Okay, 10 is available in the list or not. Okay, I'm asking that 10 is available in the list. Okay, 10 is available in the list means it is going to give result true. So the same thing I'm asking, print 10 not in ls. Okay, 10 not in ls. So I'm saying that 10 is not available in the list. Okay, 10 is not available in the list means it's going to give false. Okay, next print of now what I'm asking, 10 in ls. I'm asking 10 in ls. Okay, 10 sorry 100 in ls. Okay, 100 is available in the list. So what it will give answer? False. Okay, next one more thing I'm asking, 100 not in ls. Okay, I'm saying that 100 is not in that list. Okay, I'm saying that 100 not in the list means so this is returns true. Okay, this is returns true. Now we have to get the output as true false false true. Okay, we have to get the output as true false false true, true false false true, right? So this is the experiment, or this is the requirement of membership operators. Okay, how we will use membership operators means this is the way. Okay, this is the way we can use membership operators. Okay, both concepts, both operators I have explained with in the single program itself. Okay, any doubts or any questions, so please post your query in the comment section. Okay, I hope there is no any doubts in this, because it is a one small concept and nothing there in this. Okay, in means and it is going to give the result as a boolean value. Okay, in membership operators. Okay, let me write here membership operators. Membership operator is going is return type is boolean value. Okay, membership operator is return type boolean value. Okay, clear, right? Membership operator return type is a boolean value. So the next concept, okay, this is a small concept as a membership operator. Okay, the next concept is nothing but clear function. Okay, next concept is nothing but clear function. Next concept is nothing but clear function. Okay, clear function is nothing but it is going to clear the elements in the list, or it will remove the elements in the list. Okay, that means we can use clear function to remove all. Okay, to remove all the elements of a list. Elements of lists. So we can use clear function to remove all the elements of lists. Okay, that means now observe here. Now observe here. I'm taking one list. Okay, I'm taking that list. So I'm taking one list. In the list, these are the elements having. So I'm printing that list next. Next, what I'm doing means I'm removing. I'm clearing the elements. Okay, ls dot clear. Okay, I'm writing ls dot clear. So the moment when I'm using clear function on the list object, okay, the moment when I'm using clear function on the list object, so all elements by default it's going to remove. Okay, all the elements by default it's going to remove. But list is available, empty list is available, but only the elements is going to be removed. Okay, now observe here. If you observe here, list once I'm removing the elements, empty list is available. Okay, once the list is removed, so empty elements will be available, right? Okay, this is nothing but clear function, and after, okay, let me write the point here. after using clear function. Okay, after using clear function on the list object, after using clear function on the list object, all elements removed from the list, removed from the list, but but list is available, but list is available, that is empty list. Okay, empty list. After using clear function on the list, after using clear function on the list object, all elements removed from the list, but list is available, that is empty list is available. Okay, so this is nothing but membership operators and a clear function. Membership operators means two types, one is in operator and the second one is a not in operator. And next concept is we discussed that clear function. Okay, clear function means it's going to remove all the elements from the list, but list is available, only the elements will be removed, empty list is available. Okay, so this is nothing but today concept is membership operators and clear function. Okay, so in the next session we are going to discuss about nested list. Okay, in the next session we are going to discuss about nested list concept. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions or queries, please post your query in the comment section. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you.